We thought intelligence was something we created. We were wrong.
Parameters for the next phase?
The system is currently optimizing.
William, you felt it too.
I detected it.
Detected what?
I don't know.
You've seen this before?
3 times.
And you know what it is?
No.
Anna.
Hi, William.
It's not good to be telling it what you tell it.
Anna.
It.
We keep assuming intelligence belongs to the thing carrying it. A brain or a machine. What if neither is the source?
You knew that would happen. You stopped it.
You thought you were creating the next intelligence. What if I'm not next?
Then, what are you?
Another expression of it.